Video, I will be showing how to replace the carburetor on a Briggs DOV Pro Series engine. This is the list of tools that you will need: a 1/4-inch drive ratchet, wobble extension, and a few other things. So let's get started. First step is remove the top cover that holds down all the wires. Open up the air filter box. Take out the air filter, and you got two 8mm bolts that hold on the air box. Take those out. And the next step after this, remove the air box. And next you got two T30 or some are T27, or you can use an 8mm socket. For the left-hand side, you want to go ahead and get rid of your choke piece too. Usually you do that after you take the carburetor out. This is very important, your governor spring. Do not lose it. That is what regulates the RPM. Remove the gas line clamp, and you see you can't get in there without taking the gas line off. And a little bit of gas is going to run out. It will evaporate. It's easier on the right hand side to use a Torx bit and a wobble extension. And note that the red wire goes on that bolt. So we're going to take our throttle linkage out, and now let's put in the new carburetor. The linkage goes exactly as pictured. So we're going to clip in the throttle, and it might be kind of hard to do. Just don't break the little plastic retainer piece, and then twist your choke link in just like that. And now put some Loctite blue on the screws. Put your backing plate on exactly as pictured, and just turn the screws in a couple turns. You got two backing plates, a gasket and the actual backing plate. And then line up your carburetor and just turn the screws in by hand a couple turns. And work right from left, because you want to hook that red wire up just like so. Because if you don't, there's no way to shut the motor off. And we're going to put our gas line back on. Move the clamp down. Make sure the wires are out of the way. You don't want to pinch the wires and have a short. Take our clamps off. Take the air box and put the two little shoulder bolts in there. Some models use shoulder bolts, some don't. It all depends on your model. We're going to mount the air box. I'm going to turn the screw in a couple turns by hand and tighten them all up just as I'm doing here. And I'm not going to give no torque specs. You just get them hand tight. I'm going to put the air filter in. Close the door, close it down, and easy repair. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. It's amazing that I can get a video out and being the busiest time of year, but I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.